Hi everyone, welcome back to Virtual Cookbook Club. My name is Mrs. Mendelson, and today we are going to be making a Swedish apple pie. It's very simple. So first you're going to need to have some apples. We're going to peel, core, and slice our apples. I've got this little handy dandy gadget that will do all that. If you don't have one of these at home, that's fine. You can use just a regular apple slicer, or you can just cut them into chunks and but peel the apple first for that. All right, so I have my little handy dandy thing here. All right, and about 3 apples, maybe 4 apples would do well. You want a nice firm apple, like a Granny Smith or a Honeycrisp. And you want to make sure you don't have any pieces of the core in there. You just break those off. We don't want any seeds in our apple pie. That's good. All right. If you have a little bit of skin, that's okay. Okay. And then you can put them in your pie plate. Alright, so we got our apples looking good. Get that knife out of here so I don't cut myself. Alright. We're just going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on there. So I've got a tablespoon of sugar in here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we'll just sprinkle this on top. All right. So we're going to set this aside for a minute. All right, next we have 3/4 cup of butter. We're going to put that in the microwave. And while that's melting, we're going to need a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and an egg. So I'm just going to wait for that to finish up. All right, I'm going to make sure that butter is all melted. An egg, one cup sugar, and 1 cup flour. Batter. We're going to take our batter and we're going to pour it over our apples. And just spread it over so it covers all the apples. Now that's going to go into the oven for about 45 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, our apple pie is all done baking. Let's see what it looks like here. All right, it's still nice and warm, so you can cut into it, have it with some ice cream or some fresh whipped cream. Very simple to make it anytime. Now that it's apple season, perfect time to make it. All right, we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.